Some of my favorite recipes to make are the easy ones, like this creamy all-in-one sheet pan pasta. I threw a lot of healthy ingredients together and combined them to make a great, flavorful, delicious dish. And of course, I did it with no oil, no refined wheat, and no refined sugar. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to use to make this super healthy and super easy creamy sheet pan pasta. Now for the base, we're going to use some pasta. And what I have here is some organic chickpea penne pasta. Now, when I buy pastas, they're always bean-based pastas, lentils or chickpeas, and one ingredient, unless I do a combination. Some pastas have lentils and chickpeas, but in this case, I'm using an organic chickpea penne pasta. That's going to be our base. I'm going to use some sweet onions. I love all onions. All onions are really health promoting, especially green. These are sweet onions. We're going to use some cherry tomatoes, some nice large cherry tomatoes here. Now I'm going to use some navy beans, and I'm going to combine these navy beans with what you see here, which is cashew butter, to make a nice creamy sauce without the addition of any type of milk or cream. We're going to do it the healthy way. I'm going to use some coconut aminos for flavoring. We're going to use some black pepper, some smoked paprika. We're going to use some dried oregano, and we're going to use some garlic cloves. Now, also what we're going to be using to flavor this is some vegetable broth. Now, I make my own vegetable broth, but you could buy it for convenience. And if you're going to buy your vegetable broth, I suggest that it's organic and either no sodium or low sodium. That's the healthiest brand. If you want to know what my recipe is and you get my cookbook, this recipe is in my cookbook. And the last thing I wanted to mention is that I'll be using some greens as well. Now, what I have here is a combination of baby kale and some arugula, but you could use any greens you like. A lot of times spinach would be the preferred green here, and you could use spinach. I don't use it as much because some people are sensitive to oxalates, and so when I have an option here, like I do with greens, a lot of times I'll sub out the spinach and use something like baby kale and arugula, two excellent and delicious greens in their own right. So these are the super healthy ingredients we're going to use. I'm going to put it all in this beautiful little pot here. Let's make it simple, make it healthy. That's the way I like it. And let's start putting it together. Okay, so now I've kind of separated my ingredients here, and I've moved aside these ingredients, and what's left is what I'm going to get into our nice casserole dish here and start baking them separate from the other ingredients.
So this is the kind of meal that is pretty much hands-off, meaning once you've got your ingredients in the casserole dish, the oven is doing all the work, which means you can be getting other things done or simply relaxing. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, so now I've got my ingredients in my casserole dish in the oven. They're cooking. While they do that, we're going to put together our cream sauce. Now, this is going to be like a cream that we're just adding to the dish to make it nice and creamy and just give it the right texture. We're going to be doing it healthy vegan style, of course, by using navy beans, cashew butter, and our broth.
So as I mentioned earlier, I'm using navy beans, but any white beans will do.
Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is get my water boiling so I can make my pasta.
As far as the cooking time of the pasta, it's best to follow the instructions of the particular brand that you buy.
All right, so now our vegetables are cooked to about the halfway point. So I'm just going to remove the lid, get them back in the oven, and finish cooking them uncovered.
The vegetables should be ready once most of the liquid has cooked down.
Okay, so now I've got my vegetables cooked and out of the oven. Now it's just a matter of combining everything together. We're going to add our cream, our pasta, and our greens, mix it up, and our super healthy and easy to prepare pasta is done.
Now, once I add my greens to the dish, I'm just going to let them cook from the residual heat created by the vegetables. If you prefer your greens a little softer, you could add the pan back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so to soften them. Now, once everything is in the pan and mixed up, I'm going to garnish it with some hemp hearts and some red chili flakes. Now, this is completely optional, but I actually enjoy the extra heat from the chili flakes.
All right, and it's as simple as that. A lot of healthy ingredients combined into one dish. Our all-in-one pasta is done, and now let's have a taste. For you, of course. Just what I was looking for. That is excellent. The combination of vegetables with the cream sauce, cherry tomatoes, you can taste it all. Absolutely delicious. Gotta make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more, and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.